do our makeup today because it's been a hot minute since. So let's get into the makeup. Can't get over how this looks. Well, I'm gonna start off by using my moisturizer. This on the back of my hand. I'm just gonna be like the smallest, like. Come on. I'm gonna be using in the shade Classic Ivory. I'm still trying to get used to this camera. I had a different camera before, so I'm just trying to get used to it. I try not to use a lot of foundation because my skin's trying to clear up and I'm all for that. So I just make like my own little BB cream. Little beauty blender and just blend everything out. The concealer that I use is the e.l.f. in the shade Light Peach, and it's the e.l.f. 16 Camo Concealer. And the leftover, I just kind of like move it all around. But if you can tell, I literally didn't do much to my face. I feel like that's okay for me now. I don't need to go anywhere. I'm just gonna take a fluffy brush. This is by e.l.f. It's a complexion brush. So it looks like that, and it's just like a fluffy brush. I use it only for powder. So I'm just gonna take the fluffy brush and literally like nothing on the pan and just kind of swipe it all over because I'm not gonna bake. I didn't put too much foundation in order for me to bake. We're gonna do my eyebrows next. I'm gonna use the CoverGirl pencil in the shade, where is it? Soft Brown, 710. And then I'm just gonna take my Gimme Brow and just kind of I've had this palette for quite a while, and it's the Mirage by Profusion. And oh my goodness, let me just show you the colors. There's glitters. This is like perfect for fall. We have some pinks, some purples, some glitter pinks, glitters to go with your fall looks. It's literally all so beautiful, and we're gonna be working with this bad boy because I haven't played with this. It's 35 shades and it's $13. $13. Yeah. So let's get started. Start with this color right here, and the name is Polite. So I'm just gonna take it as a blending starter shade. Now we're gonna take the shadow right under the glitter, and it's called Outgoing, and we're gonna focus that all over the eyelid. I'm now gonna take this color right here, and it's called Fuego. I'm gonna take that one and I'm gonna focus it on the lid itself. So I'm gonna take it a little bit and we're gonna apply it. The shade, we're gonna focus it on the crease as well. So that's how it's looking so far. I kind of like it. We're gonna go in and just kind of take it up and just kind of blend this area a little bit more. Want it to be really smooth. I'm gonna take our first transition color back in our brush, and I'm just gonna go ahead and use it to blend everything. Okay, so now I'm gonna take this, where is it? This shade right here, and it's called Bridesmaid. It's pretty much like a really light pink, and we're gonna take it a little bit on the crease only. So that's what I'm gonna do. Taking the shade, we're gonna go in with the color, this one, and it's called Compass. So we're gonna use Compass on the lid and blend up. I'm gonna take a smaller brush and just take the brown to my lash line. That's how it's turned out. I'm gonna take lastly this glitter right here, and it's called Mirage. So I'm gonna take Mirage and put it all over the, maybe half. We'll see. And I'm gonna take just a regular highlight. Highlight that inner corner, baby. It will look so much better with a lash on it. So 1, 2, 3. This is the finished look. Let's get into bronze, blush, and highlight, and then lashes, obviously. Let's do this. For bronzer, I use this little bad boy. This little bad boy. I take a flat brush for blush, and I use this like orangey highlight, orange blush. I go in with my rounded brush and my highlight from all the same palette, and I use this highlight right here. Take a look on that. The lipstick that I used is in the shade Naturally Chic, and it's by the brand Milani. I literally love all their lipstick. Yeah, I'm gonna put my lashes on, maybe a darker lip, I'm not sure. We'll see. And then I'll show you the final reveal. This is the finished look. I kind of dig it. It's really fall inspired. I'm trying to get it to focus. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'm so glad to finally be back. I'm gonna put my hair in the back. Stay tuned for more videos. I just want to thank you guys. Thank you for liking, thank you for subscribing, and if you guys do enjoy my content, on this channel, give this video a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. And yeah, thank you guys so much for 70 of you guys, and for all the comments that you guys have left and are leaving on my I dye my hair orange video, and I'm so grateful. I am going to be dyeing my hair blonde because your girl's natural hair is coming back, and I don't want that. So I'm gonna go blonde, see how that goes, guys. And I hope you guys recreate this look. If you guys do recreate this look and you guys do enjoy it, let me know. Tag me on Instagram, tag me, and I will share the heck out of it. Thank you again. Thank you. Okay, I'm done. Bye.